There are two steps we can do it. The first step, press the top selection on the right. Here, top selection on the right. Here, I show you. Then it's come out like this. And then please select and then press the small centered arrows. Like this. Please select the first order, that is submit story. Their order is submit story here. Okay, this is first step to submit story. And then step 2, select the home page option. And then click the topmost third point on the left. Here will display the star topmost third point on the left. Here will display. Please select submit story. Okay, here there is a compact view, night mode, search, and then submit story. Here, just press in the submit story. Nah. Okay, here you write the detail about your blog, and then here you write your blog and upload your picture or video, and then don't forget to give the tagging here eSteem STEM education video aja, alright, and then press for the last one is pause here down.